shoes right on their way. Oh, what a happy day. Ooh, oh, oh.
Hi, Melissa! Happy 7th birthday! Sana love na love mo si Mami at saka si Daddy. Mahalin mo sila. Kaluguran da kang talaga. And I love you. I can be your aunt forever and ever. Happy birthday!
Oh, what
Hi Melissa, this is Ate Nicey. I wish you all the best and I hope you'll grow up as a very kind and humble lady. And sana, like what Tita Lisette said, always be grateful to your mom and dad. You are a gift to them. Hopefully, you will grow up as a good and beautiful lady. Happy birthday!
There's something different today. I'm on the bright side, and things are going my way.
In the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. Amen.
The right side, there's a silver lining.
Lord, thank you for the food in my birthday party. Today we're gonna celebrate my 7th birthday party, and I hope that we all enjoy the food.
Isn't it the sweetest thing when everything
Okay,
feels
so thank you, Lord, for this blessing, for this big day, and thank you for having Melissa in our life, and thank you for having everyone in our life. You are part of our family. That's why you're here right now. Okay, thank you and welcome. Okay, bye.
Oh, what a happy day. Ooh, oh, oh. Ooh, oh, oh. Ooh, oh, oh. Do-do-do-do. Ooh, oh, oh. Ooh, oh, oh. Ooh, oh, oh. There's a silver lining outshining every shade of gray. Oh, what a happy day. Ooh, oh, oh. Ooh, what a happy day. Ooh, oh, oh. Do-do-do-do. Ooh, oh, oh. Ooh, what a happy day. Ooh, oh, oh. Ooh, what a happy day.
Look at this stuff, isn't it neat? Wouldn't you think my collection's complete? Wouldn't you think I'm the girl who has...
Auntie Nati, happy birthday to you. And enjoy your birthday today and thank you for inviting us.
Hi, Melissa. My name is Luisa, and I work with your mom. I want to wish you happy birthday. And you know your mom is a very good nurse, and I hope and pray that you will follow in her footsteps, okay? Happy birthday.
Thank you.
But who cares? No big deal.
Melissa, my name is Tita and I'm used to work with your mom. Happy birthday and I wish you the best of everything.
Happy birthday. Stay pretty, okay? Stay pretty and be a princess.
Hi, Melissa! Hello! Happy birthday! I'm your Tita Lisette. I worked with your mom like 15 years ago in the Philippines. We're friends and she's my immediate boss, you know? Yeah. She's a very strong woman, very smart. I hope you'll get those traits from her. She's kind, humble, and loving and giving. So I hope you all inherit all those good values from her. I love you.
And the last 7 candle will be coming from the one and only Melissa's mom, Ate Riza.
Hello. Know what the people know. Ask them my question. When's it my turn?
I just want to thank God for giving Melissa to us. She's our miracle baby. She's by herself. It took us 7 years to have her. And thank God we have her. She's very healthy, very smart, very nice. So I just can't thank God so much for having her. So, and to all my friends, you know what I've been through for having Melissa. So I want to take this opportunity to thank God and everyone, for coming and sharing with me, with our family. And this is really a big day, and I really want to thank God for everything. Sorry, I'm kind of teary, but it's full of hope, full of blessings, full of thanksgiving from up above. Okay, thank you. And my wish for my daughter is for her to remain healthy and for her to remain nice and kind, God-fearing and friendly. And Mommy gained a lot of friends. I have no siblings here. I have no cousin or any auntie or any, but everyone is here and you're considered a family to me and to Melissa. And I thank you for coming, and you will remain in our heart, and I thank you so much.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy Okay.
Grandpa, Lolo, Peter, to give you the first flower, anak. And thank you for bringing you to school and picking you up from school and taking care of you.
This one is for you.
Thank you.
Happy 7th birthday.
Thank you.
And more birthday to come.
Okay, thank you.
Happy birthday, Melissa. God bless you.
Mag-play ka muna music. Okay, thank you.
Hello.
Melissa.
Happy birthday, Melissa. More to celebrate. And all your things come true. Happy birthday.
Okay, next, another uncle. Okay.
Happy birthday. Always be a good birthday to mama.
Thank you, boy. Thank you. Okay. Okay.
Happy birthday. Thank you, Roy.
Okay, the seventh flower will be from Daddy Melvin, and they will do a short dance. Will be with your daddy and dance with daddy for a little bit, okay? Okay, daddy, say something to Melissa, and then you do a little dance.
Be humble and kind and study hard. I love you. Okay?
Certain as the sun, rising in the east,
Till our
song as old as time, beauty and the peace.
till our soul
Show
happy life.
Thank you. Picture.
Hi, Melissa. So when your mom gave me this, she told me to think of just one wish for you. That would be so hard to do because for a princess, all your wishes should come true, right? So may all your dreams come true. Take care and God bless you always.
I know, thank you. Auntie Irma, please come over. From Regional.
Okay. I wish you to be healthy and happy all the time.
Okay, Auntie Connie. Oh, picture muna, picture. Okay, Auntie Connie.
Happy birthday, Melissa. Wish you all the best and all happiness. And happy birthday.
Ali Magician. Okay, next will be Auntie Mimi. Auntie Mimi, give your wish to Melissa.
Again, I just want to wish you a bigger party for next year.
Maybe when she's 18, Mommy has to work hard. Okay. Okay. I know. Next is Auntie Kit. Okay, Mom's co-worker from the clinic.
You know, when she was going around, I asked her what she was having fun with, and she said the most fun she had was the prayer, when she did the prayer. So it is my prayer that the Lord will bless you and that He will make you healthy and then you will grow. Okay? Happy birthday!
Picture. Sana magiging pretty ka araw-araw. Huwag ka matigasulong. Yan, happy birthday. Picture mo.
Happy birthday, Melissa. Hope you could grow up good and have a good one. Thank you.
Thank you.
Picture,
Thank you so
picture.
much. Jacob. Thank you, Jacob. Okay, next is Ellie.
Happy birthday. Thank you.
Okay, this is friend Ellie. Picture. Okay, next.
This is one.
Over. You say your little message.
Just say hello.
Happy birthday! Hey, thank you. What is your name? Jeffrey. Okay. Some of them I know their moms, but not them. Their names are really short. This is not a well-planned program. But anyway, thank you. Next, Samantha is back. Okay, Samantha, thank you for giving Melissa a balloon. Okay, thank you.
I know you like
Through a deadless diamond sky, a whole new world. Don't you dare close your eyes.
Happy birthday, Wolf.
Oh, thank you. Okay, next. Happy birthday. Thank you.
Thank you.
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Next, may we call on the aunties again for the 7 wishes. You will be the wishing stars. Wishing stars. The one who got the small balloons. Let's start with
Amelia.
who's your friend, anak?
Amelia. Come on, do it the right way. Just so happy birthday. Say something. Thank you. Picture. Next friend is Alessandra. Say it through the mic. Happy birthday. Thank you.
Take a picture, okay?
Shimmering splendid. Tell me, princess, now when did you last let your heart?
Happy birthday, Melissa. Thank you. My friends don't know what to say sometimes.
Take you wonder by wonder over sideways and up.
Next BFF is Olivia. Thank you. No. Now take up. Then next is Arian. Come up. Happy birthday, Melissa. Thank you. Oh man, I'm getting a tryout.
Okay, let me help you, anak. Let me help you.
This is not being 7. Happy birthday, Melissa. Thank you.
Don't you dare close your eyes. Oh, your rings, it gets better. I'm like a shooting star.
My name? Hannah May.
Hannah May.
She's the daughter of my friend. Okay. Say something to Melissa.
Happy birthday. Thank
Okay,
you.
go here. Take a picture.
I'll chase them anywhere. There's time to spare. Let me share this whole.
Okay, last is Cassie.
Cassie.
Okay, Cassie. Another best friend.
Say something. Thank you.
Take a picture. Give
Come on, give me the wand. Thank you.
Take a picture.
Oh my God.
We'll have your ones later too, okay?
Princess of the Fairies. Did you know that? You didn't know that? Oh my goodness. Well, my name is Dahlia, and I am the Princess of the Fairies. And, well, I came here today to help you celebrate your birthday. And, well, when I have birthday celebrations, I normally bring something with me. It's in a big square box with a big bow on top. It's called a birthday pineapple. A birthday porcupine. No, what is it that you bring with you? Yes, my friend. Oh, a present, that's right. Well, I brought a present today from our birthday girl, and I seem to have lost it on my long journey here. Do you think you can help me get it back? Oh, perfect. Raise your hand if you like presents. Who likes presents? Great. Raise your other hand if you like magic. Who likes magic? We're going to use our hands. We're going to make a little bowl in front of our face. We will close our eyes, and on the count of 3, we will have a present appear in our hands for our birthday girl. Ready? 1, 2, wait. I forgot something. Is it okay if I do magic for you today? Oh, wonderful. Okay, perfect. All right, here we go. On the count of 3, we will have a present appear in our hands. Ready? 1, 2, wait. I forgot something else. I need something. Oh, I remember. Is it okay if we practice magic inside? Normally when I practice magic, I practice outside. Is it okay to do inside today? Oh, okay, wonderful. All right, here we go. On the count of 3, we will have a present appear in our hands for our birthday girl. Ready? 1,
magic. It's long and skinny. You wave it in the air. A magic watermelon. No, what is it called? Oh, a magic wand. That's right. Okay, let's see. Maybe I have a magic wand around here somewhere. Maybe in the hat? Well, I was thinking that maybe we could use this one. Do you think this one will work? Do you think this will do magic for us? Okay, perfect. This is my magic wand. We're going to use this magic wand, and we will wave it on the count of 3 to have a present appear for our birthday girl. Ready? On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Uh-oh. Oh, dear, did you see that? Oh, no, it looks as though my magic wand is broken. Have any of you used a broken magic wand before? You have, my friend. Did anything happen when you used your broken magic wand? Did your magic still work? No? Oh dear. Okay. Well, maybe around here somewhere I have a magic wand that may be a backup magic wand. Just in case one broke. Let's see. Maybe I have an extra one around here somewhere that might be able to help us with our birthday today. Here it is. We will use this one. We will wave this magic wand on the count of 3 and we will have a present. Is there something wrong with this magic wand, my friend? Oh, it's a bubble wand. Okay, well, to make bubbles. What do we need in order to make this work then? Yes. Oh, I need a bubble maker. Okay, let me see. You have a bubble maker at home? Okay, let me see. Maybe I have something back here that will help us. Do you think so? Okay, I'm gonna put the microphone down for just a moment. Exactly what you need to help me. Here it is. We will use this in order to put the magic. Oh, it's a bird. In dreams you just put her right in your dreams. It's a bubble mixture. Oh, a bubble mixture. Oh, okay. I will look for that. No matter how your heart if you keep the dream that we are true. Clock. Come on, get up. Time. 20 today. It's not a bubble. Have you ever seen a frozen bubble? I froze it in order to make sure that everybody could see it. Now we have this frozen bubble, and I was thinking that maybe we could put it inside of a gift bag to make it look a little bit more like a present for our birthday girls. Oh, I see one right here. Okay, we'll just put our magic bubble right inside the magic bag. Oh, did you see that? That was a little bit silly. Let's try that again. We're gonna add our magic bubble inside. Oh, that's not right at all. There's a hole in it. Do you have magic hands? Do you think fix this birthday girl?
Maggots, hurry up!
Here she goes, the oh, no, that's little paws of any crowd. This Rufus, he lives in my garden. Hi there, Rufus.
Well, it's my favorite.
Help us find a present for our birthday girl.
Daring sword fights, magic spells,
Oh, that's right. See all these sleep mouse. Do any of these sleep mouse? You do, my friend. How do I sleep mouse?
Thank you very much.
Oh, that's right. I heard them. Did you hear them? Okay, let me tell you exactly what they said. They said that we have a present for our birthday girl today, but it's for the bunnies. Do any of you know where bunnies live? Where do bunnies live, my friend? Yes. What did the birthday girl say? Did you say that the bunnies live in the house? Oh my goodness, I think their birthday girl is right. We're gonna look inside these hats and see if we have any bunnies with us today. You think so? Okay, we'll look right in here. There's a black bunny under there. Did everybody get to see it? Oh my goodness! Oh, it's still there. Wonderful. Now, what do you think's underneath this white hat? Yes, my friends.
But behind the face.
You think there's a present underneath this white hat? For you? Okay, let's see. Let's look. What was under there? A bunny? And what color bunny was that? White. Oh, so you're telling me that there's a black bunny under the black hat and a white bunny under the white hat? Oh, that makes perfect sense. Okay, let's see if we can talk to these bunnies and see if they can help us find a present today. Hi there, bunnies. We're looking for a present for our birthday girl. Can you help us find it? Oh no, they want to show you a trick. I have to warn you, these bunnies are not very good at magic. What they do for their trick is they jump up out of their hats, they somersault in the air, and they come back down in the opposite color hat. But first, when I somersault in the air, my crown, it always falls off. So we're going to turn these hats on nice and tight, 700 times for our birthday girl's birthday today, to make sure that the hats are on nice and tight.
Ask me. One day.
On the count of 3, I need your help. Will you help me by saying jump, bunnies, jump on the count of 3? Okay, ready? On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Jump, bunnies, jump! I didn't see any jumping and somersaulting. Did you see my birthday girl? Did you see our bunnies jump and somersault in the air? I didn't either. Okay, let's see. Underneath this black hat, we had the black bunny, is that right? Now let's see what color the bunny is. Oh my goodness. That somersault in the air. Ready on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Jump, bunnies, jump! Oh, nothing happened. Oh dear. Does anybody think that maybe I forgot something this time that we were doing before? What did I forget to do? The magic wand. What if... Do you remember I was doing something with the hats to make sure that they stayed on? What was I doing? Oh, I was turning them around, that's right. Okay, let's see. Maybe if I turn these bunnies around, they'll jump for us. Let's see. Oh my goodness! I see blue and yellow bunnies. Oh dear. Does anybody know what happens when you mix blue paint with yellow paint? Yes, my friend? Oh, it makes green. Green bunnies are sick bunnies. We must have spun these bunnies around so many times that they've gotten sick. We're gonna have to put these bunnies to bed. Can you say goodnight to my bunnies? Oh my goodness. Well, why don't you sit there, crisscross applesauce, and you can tell me what things look a little bit.
Let it go, let it go. Can't hold it back anymore. Let it go, let it go. Turn my back and slam the door. The snow goes by.
Hi, Melissa. Happy birthday. May you grow as beautiful as your mom, and with the guidance of your dad and mom, you become stay humble happy birthday again. More birthdays and happy years to come. Take care, baby. We love you.
Happy birthday, Melissa. Thank you for having us.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Melissa. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday,
Happy birthday, Melissa.
Enjoy your day.
Happy birthday, Melissa!
Let it go. Let it go.
Happy birthday, Melissa.
Back anymore. Let it go.
Happy birthday, Melissa! Your party's so much fun. Thank you for having us. I hope you have a wonderful day. What do you say? I said happy birthday. Thank you. Melissa, thanks for having us. You look very beautiful today. We want to wish you a very happy and special birthday.
Hey, happy birthday.
Yay, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Melissa. Best wishes to you and your family.
Happy birthday, Melissa. 1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday, Melissa.
Happy birthday. Good luck.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
We want to wish you happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Mini Mordecai.
And may God bless you forever.
Yes.
And take care of your family.
Happy birthday, Princess.
Let it go.
Alright.
Can't hold it
Hi,
back.
happy birthday, Melissa. We love you and we hope that you will grow beautiful and pretty and successful in life. Melissa, happy birthday again. Alright, thank you very much.
Happy birthday, Melissa. May you have the best of everything. Thank you for inviting us.
Yeah, happy 7th birthday! And we hope that on your 21st birthday we'll be there.
18.
Oh, 18? Okay, 18. Any birthdays, we'll be there.
Hi, Melissa. This is Auntie Lilia. Have a happy birthday to you. You're a lucky girl to have your parents, and we hope to be around still for your 18th birthday. Happy birthday again, Melissa.
Happy birthday, Melissa. I hope you have a really wonderful life and happy 7th birthday.
Hi, Melissa. Happy 7th birthday from Tita Helen and all the kids. Hope you have a wonderful birthday. Thank you for inviting us.
Happy birthday, Melissa. From Elliot.
Happy birthday, Melissa.
Happy birthday, Melissa from Elliot.
Hi, Melissa. Happy birthday. Enjoy your 7th.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Risa, from Randy.
Happy birthday, Melissa.
Say happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Melissa.
This is my friend Lori. Melissa, make sure you study hard, okay? Yes. Okay. Be a good girl. Respect your parents. Be a good girl. Listen to your mom and your dad. And God bless you. And do well. And have fun. Hasta la vista, baby.
Happy birthday, Melissa. May all your wishes come true. Stay sweet and pretty. Okay? From Tita Mary Jo Montano.
And here